which petition?
This one is filed in 2024.
Yes, my lord. That is what I was saying.
2024, it
Kindly-
can't get a benefit.
Kindly
If it has been filed in 2023, can't get a benefit of 2013 exam.
Kindly confine it to
They passed the
petitioners in the High
separate
Court.
order saying we are cancelling. Your Lordship, till 2019 when they. Those who have come before the court when the SLP was filed, that is at least till 2019, those who have.
All right.
Corona
was there. Corona was there.
So prior to Corona,
So they are passing 13. After the division bench's order, in spite of the direction of the division bench, they passed an order saying the whole recruitment process is cancelled. Because of that, that being a separate cause of action, we filed a writ and a contempt also. Now, in that, your lordship has issued notice.
therefore,
Now,
Yes,
some
sir.
people didn't challenge it,
so therefore-
but that doesn't mean that it takes away the right from the writ filed earlier.
no, writ filed earlier, no problem.
So, but these are people who filed earlier and now again.
Those who are-
Earlier
And
covered.
candidates who were vigilant, they approached the.
Yes.
Right?
But now in
We all are.
High
Now,
Court,
after this special petition has been filed,
Yes, sir.
you find that there are certain candidates
Yes.
who are absolutely fence-sitters
Already.
So,
who are trying to join and to reap the benefit.
Who had approached the High Court in this court up to 2019 will be ground.
2019.
Make it 20 because
2019.
My lord, my request would be if your lordships may confine it only to the petitioners in the High Court, my lords, because this is a.
16.5 lordship. 16.
I don't have a problem with that. Because we are all before the high.
Must
We are all before the high.
75 lordship, successive candidates.
We are all part of those 3+13.
My lord, my prayer is confine it to the writ petitioners in the High Court, my lords, because this is a 2013 recruitment.
I don't have a problem with this.
Subsequent recruitments have taken.
That's selfish.
I'm saying
So speak by yourself.
That's all I'm saying.
I think it's fair. 31st December 19 cutoff is very fair.
December 19.
Cutoff is very fair.
Those who have approached the court, anytime before 31st December 2019 shall be.
Lordship,
Oh.
7th of February,
My lord, kindly confine it.
Correct.
Kindly confine it to the actual. My lord,
That's the condemning was that.
No, we are opposing.
There was not condemning the mainline.
Like,
It shows that down in case of delay. And with the recent judgment,
How did that? Yeah, I think condoned.
my
the
lord,
recent judgment on this delay,
my lords allowed our appeals in the Urdu and physical training where not a single recruitment had been made. My lords may, because my lords, the impugned order.
31st December 2019 is.
My lordship, great. 7th Feb 2020, I filed a writ petition, lordship. Notices have been issued. My lordship, we've been successful candidates. We participated in the, my lordship, we participated in the whole process.
Disposed of.
My lordship,
My lords, I have two more submissions, my lord. One, your lordships have already made it clear that it's only for maths and science. Because Urdu and,
Right side.
please, my lord, kindly confine it to the facts of this case, my lords. This, we have a difficulty.
Oh,
with lordships.
surely you don't have such close delay and
No,
facts
you
in that.
cannot buy an oral order after change of government.
Correct.
Why should it be confined to facts? The division bench order is a very well reasoned order.
Correct. The single bench is.
my lordship,
The file recorded
one
reasons.
submission to lordship.
The file recorded the reasons which your lordships saw in the earlier round when your lordships confirmed our, my lords, allowed our petitions on Urdu and physical.
One request, your lordship. In fact, this migrant petition was filed on 7th of Feb 2020, your lordship.
2013 exams.
No, in fact, we have been successful candidates, your lordship. In fact, we participated. We have come to process. You are just for 2 months.
7 years.
Should have come.
We have come to process in 2020 sir, because of this board we cannot approach at that point.
What? Because of?
Seven.
Because of?
My lordship saying.
No, what did he say? I'm sorry, I missed it.
Because of
I'm
impending.
telling you, COVID was March.
Because of
Even on astrology, it's a matter of just 2 months.
No, please.
My lordship, confining to people who participate in the conflict.
This is not proper. This can't be a 2013 recruitment is not an open.
Currently, 2020 we approach this matter of difference of 2 months, your lordship.
No, not like this.
My lordship,
Why 2 months?
this is already issued in the writ petition.
2000s, when was the petition filed before the High Court?
I'm sorry,
2017.
2017.
I participated.
So 2017, when the process is halted, you being a candidate, you should have based this divided for the High Court. Then why have you stopped it?
As soon as we came to know, we filed this.
No. As soon as we came to know it, you are a candidate. From 2013, the process has started for 4 years. You have not been given the appointment, and you get to know about it only in 2020.
Philosophy participated in fourth counseling and seventh counseling.
Right.
Next exam.
All right, grateful.
Okay, thank you.
Great, leave your bag.
I would if it can confined only as per the merit list, Your Lordship. If you're eligible, let
Because
us
there is
be
few
given the benefit of that. My Lordship, 2020
What's the court within the reasonable time? It can't be after 10 years.
My Lordship may not,
32 petition should also be filed with expedition.
Yes.
it's been done.
Not that, in 32, delay is not a factor.
If I can beseech Your Lordship,
And-
some empathy as regards to the candidates are concerned, we've been successful candidates. My Lordship, it's on 7th of Feb 2020 we filed. If you're not going eligible, then they're not appointed us.
Nobody is disputing that you may have been qualified. But to get an order from the court, you are required to satisfy the minimum conditions that you come to court at the earliest. If you cannot come at the earliest, we don't say 17. At least when these proceedings were continuing for 3 years,
We've done it.
it's very difficult to assume that you did not have any knowledge.
I've-
Either you may not have had knowledge, you were not interested in the appointment.
If I can only beseech an empathy of the court, My Lordship, I'm not getting into technicalities. It's just matter of they're not taking it. If you're eligible,
You are
then
well
it will
advised.
be given to us.
You are well advised not to get into technicalities. But the fact of the matter is, can't be an open-ended recruitment, no? See, what has become an open-ended recruitment. 2025 also recruitment will go on.
It is con-
Never happens like
We've
this.
been eligible, it's not that we've
Yeah.
fresh application.
Can't be.
We've been
Thank you.
eligible at that point in time. If your Lordship can consider it,
Philosophy participated in counseling.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great.